yung mga gamit namin. Oh. Yeah, you can park them in there and then you can eat here. How affordable their snacks are through IKEA.ph. Hello guys, this is Jay and welcome back to VLOGCETERA. For today's video, we visited here in IKEA. Sabi nila the biggest yet and newly opened here in the Philippines. So ipapakita namin kung ano yung meron dito sa loob. And we are also going to visit a little later yung kanilang restaurant. So samahan nyo ako, let's go! Currently here in their restaurant. Before we pay, nandun yung mga gamit namin. Oh. Yeah, you can park them in there and then you can eat here. Ito yung kanilang restaurant and my favorite so far is this cup of coffee na 35 pesos lang, and that's bottomless, unlimited, so you can get as much as coffee as you can. And yung mga pagkain din naman nila are reasonable prices, like yung spaghetti nila parang 59 lang yata, when you add meatballs para mga 129, mga ganong ang pinakamahal I think is yung kanilang salmon na may kasamang broccoli and mashed potato, parang around 340 if I'm not mistaken. So there you go. Mamaya-maya babayaran na natin kung ano yung mga napamili natin na hindi naman ganun kadami kasi parang very limited lang din naman yung mga selections here na mura. So, yep, I will update you a little later. This one's cool. Circular hub, yung mga second hand na mga furnitures. Let me show you. And we are now currently hunting talaga, the cashier. Kasi parang you have to go through all sections before you will reach yung cashier nila here. Just check out, ito yung cashier area nila. And then if you ever missed yung food nila dun sa restaurant, you can actually still get some food dito sa kanilang Swedish, anong tawag dito? Swedish food market. Yeah, and they still serve yung same food na available doon sa restaurant. So, yep. How affordable their snacks are. Kita nyo sa likod. Parang 70 plus, you have your hot dogs, sundae, and drinks. So if you guys would also like to book and visit IKEA, just have to go through IKEA.ph and then book your slot. There you go guys, that is it for my vlog, and this is all about IKEA here in the Philippines. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe na din kayo so that you will get updated with more of my vlogs in the coming days. Thank you so much. Until our next one.